Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to connect an external debit card to your Uber Pro card. If you don't have an Uber driver account, we will put our referral link in the description below for you to sign up. We will also put links in the description below for similar gig platforms for you to sign up and earn extra money. To start, open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is open, you will see several icons at the lower part of the screen. Tap on the account icon. On this screen, you will see an option for connected accounts. Tap on Connected Accounts. Now, you will see an option for Add Debit Card. Tap on Add Debit Card. On this screen, enter your card info. To verify your identity, a verification link will be sent to your phone number. Once verified, your debit card will be successfully added. That's how you connect an external debit card to your Uber Pro card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.